Welcome back to day 23 of the Shadowing Challenge. Today, we're practicing public transport English. Simple phrases you can use on buses, trains, and subways. Shadow with me in 3 paces. Very slow, slow, and medium. Let's begin. Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? Does this go downtown? Does this go downtown? Does this go downtown? Which stop is next? Which stop is next? Which stop is next? How much is the fare? How much is the fare? How much is the fare? I need a day pass. I need a day pass. I need a day pass. Do I tap my card here? Do I tap my card here? Do I tap my card here? Is this the right platform? Is this the right platform? Is this the right platform? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? What time is the next train? What time is the next train? What time is the next train? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Can you tell me when to get off? Can you tell me when to get off? Can you tell me when to get off? I'm getting off at the next stop. I'm getting off at the next stop. I'm getting off at the next stop. Does this bus stop here? Does this bus stop here? Does this bus stop here? I think I missed my stop. I think I missed my stop. I think I missed my stop. Is this the express bus? Is this the express bus? Is this the express bus? How many stops are left? How many stops are left? How many stops are left? Can I transfer here? Can I transfer here? Can I transfer here? Which line should I take? Which line should I take? Which line should I take? I'm new here. Can you help me? I'm new here. Can you help me? I'm new here. Can you help me? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Great job completing day 23 of the Shadowing Challenge. Keep practicing these public transport phrases. They'll help you travel with confidence. Join me tomorrow for day 24. You're improving every single day.